Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from Verizon to Google Fi, and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and check compatibility. So visit Google Fi's compatibility checker on the website to ensure that your phone works with Fi, okay? And then if your phone is locked to Verizon, what you need to do is you need to contact Verizon customer support to unlock it before actually switching. And then what you want to do is you want to sign up for Google Fi. So go to fi.google.com and create an account and then select a Google Fi plan that actually suits your needs. Okay? And then what you need to do is you need to get a Google Fi SIM or activate eSIM. So if your phone supports eSIM, then you can activate without waiting for a physical SIM. Otherwise, you need to order a Google Fi SIM card. And then during the sign up process, you want to choose to keep your current number. You want to provide your Verizon account number and a PIN to authorize the transfer. Make sure Verizon account remains active until the transfer is actually complete. You don't want to lose your number, guys. And then what you need to do is you need to download and install the Google Fi app from your app store to basically manage your account and settings, and then insert the SIM card or follow the eSIM activation instruction in the Google Fi app. And then just go ahead and restart your phone to complete the activation process. And of course, guys, you can go ahead and test your service. So make a call, send a text, and test data usage to ensure that everything is working as expected. And once your number is successfully transferred, your Verizon account basically will automatically cancel. You want to go ahead and verify this with Verizon to, avoid any additional charges. And that's it, guys. You're now on Google Fi and you can enjoy their flexible plans and features. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.